Mount your camera on a tripod. Use portrait mode. Remember, what you are shooting here is 2 videos. All right. After this, now look at where you position your camera. You just walk out from the room. All right. Then you are just, telling somebody to go out, you know that kind of thing. Now then, after shooting this one, now then you come to this other video. All right. Take your camera to any place where you want to shoot this one. So position your camera, then you walk in. You do as if you are easing yourself. After some seconds or some minutes, you can now look up, all right, as if someone called you, imaginary, okay? And when you look up, look at it, then you can just wave your hand. Then this is a communication video. Just use your initiative. At a point, you tell the man you are not all right, that kind of thing. 2 of you are communicating, all right? So in this place now, you display all you want to display. Then after that, you can do as if you have finished easing yourself, display all you want to display, then you can now just walk out. All right, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay, welcome to today's tutorial as I walk you through on how you can create this video. So at this point now, what you are going to be doing is to click on CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Click on your video now, locate volume like we always do. Click on volume now, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Let's locate where we want the video to start from, guys. Click on the video, make a split, delete this first part. So at this point, click on overlay, add overlay, import this other video to workspace. Click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Crop that video, take it up to that wall, position it the way you want it to be, all right? After that, we are going to just move the video so that we'll see when you move your hand to be sure that it did not affect the other video on the wall, that your hand did not enter into the other video. Good. So this is nice. Let's still watch it when you are sorting the guy. Let's see your hand. When you are sorting the other guy. Let's just, good. This is nice. So at this point, to bring it back, take it back. What we are going to be doing now as we come back is, you want to click on the overlay video, the second layer. You want to click on it now. Click on it. You want to add your keyframe. Then you click on splice. Then you adjust it to 0 level. Then you adjust the video before the guy come out from inside. You want to still reveal it again. Then you mark on this good and go back. This is how it's going to play. All right, let's just see how it's going to. Good. So at this point, what we are going to do is, we want to make the video run so that it will be immediately when the guy comes out and wave his hand, that this other one will immediately, the guy comes out, that when this other one will look up. So you look for the necessary adjustment. You can see I'm making my own adjustment so that I will make sure that the 2 video rhyme, that they play together. All right, this is a conversation video. They are communicating with each other, so you make it rhyme. I am looking for the perfect place now. I think I have gotten my own. So when you get here, do your own the same way. Look at it. This is nice. Immediately come out and do see. This one will look up. Then you tell it, get out. Then this one will wave his hand. So at this point, we have gotten what we want. But when I was playing this video, somebody come to interrupt the video. Look at her there. So we will just adjust it now. then you click on this place now and make a split. All right, make a split, then you adjust the video till she passes, then you crop her out, then you click this one and make it to align. So at this point we go and look for where we want the video to stop, where we want the video to end. And as you are going out, the last assault, you can click it now and make a split. Click on this one now and make a split. Delete this one, delete the up one as well. So at this point we take it to the beginning of the video. We want to play the video from the beginning and see what we have got. All right, so you are playing it, you want to identify if there is any error, if there is any mistake anywhere. You can take time, correct your mistake. Then after that, I'm sure this video is ready. The only thing that will be remaining here now is to add your sound effects, your light effect, and every other effect. Then after that, you can now export this video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things, I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video my number is there. DM me, I'll put you through on how to add those necessary effects. And after that, you can now export this video to your gallery. All right, so the next thing we are going to be doing here now is to click on export and export this video to our gallery. So click on export now, then you allow it to export to your gallery. As you can see, that is exporting. What you need to do here is just exercise patience as the video exports 100%. Now this video have installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. All right, thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Stay safe.